Alright guys, today we're going to address an issue you might face when you notice that your iPhone battery is draining very quickly or at least faster than it used to. Sometimes this happens after an iOS update, and while there can be many reasons for it, we'll go through two simple steps to help fix this. The first step is to force reset your iPhone. To do this, quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the power button for several seconds until you see slide to power off. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. After forcing the restart, turn your iPhone back on by holding the power button for several seconds until it powers up. This step is important because it restarts all the apps and processes on your phone that may have accumulated over time, which could be draining your battery. If you've recently updated your iOS, this restart will also refresh the code, which usually helps fix temporary bugs. Once your iPhone is back on, tap the settings icon to access your iPhone settings. Scroll down slightly until you find General. Tap on that, then scroll all the way down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on it, then select Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete any of your personal data, it will only reset the settings. This means none of your files will be removed, but the settings and accumulated bugs that may be draining your battery will be cleared. I won't go through this process again since my iPhone doesn't have this issue anymore. If you found this useful, please consider liking this video.